Hi everyone, it's Heather Nichols, and I have a birthday card to share with you today that I created with the Birthday Basics stamp set. It's a clear stamp set, and so I'm setting up my MISTI with the foam insert inside of it so that everything is at the right level for the clear stamps to stamp onto the cardstock. I'm stamping the images in rows on my background. I'll do a row of candles and a row of presents and a row of balloons, and I'm going to set everything up on my MISTI at one time so I can see where everything is placed, and then I'll show you how I ink it up. That just kind of helped me keep track of things and not get my ink colors muddied. Once I have everything arranged on my MISTI the way that I want, I'm going to close the lid so that the stamps pick up onto the lid. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ink one row at a time. So I'm going to ink the top row of balloons first and stamp those. And then once I have those done, I'm going to pull those balloons off because I'm actually done with those right now. And I'll ink the next row, which is the candles. And once those are done, I will pull those off, and then I will ink the presents, and I'll stamp those, and then I will pull those off. I'll repeat the process to complete the background of my card. The flame for the candle is separate in the Birthday Basics stamp set, and I'm just going to put that on a small acrylic block to stamp the flame on each of the candles on my background. Once the main images of my background are stamped, I'm going to go in and add some confetti in between and throughout the design. I'm stamping it in all of the coordinating colors that I used to stamp the background. I used coordinating colors of the liquid watercolor to add some splotches and splatters throughout my background design. Next, I'm going to add some sparkle to this background using the Confetti Toss stencil. I attached the stencil to my project using the pixie spray, and I'm applying the Moonstone Glimmer Paste through the stencil using one of the new Nuvo silicone spatulas. Once the glimmer paste is all dry, we'll assemble our finished project. I'm attaching the background to a toffee colored card base, and then I'm going to add sentiments to my card using the Simple Strips birthday stamp set. I've stamped them on 3 different colors of cardstock, guava, cookie monster, and lime zest using sugar cube ink, and then I'm attaching them to my background, overlapping the different colors of strips with a contrasting color so that they pop just a little bit more from the project. If you did the same color, the sentiment would sort of disappear into the background. I'm also popping the sentiment strips up just a bit on my project using some foam squares. Once the last sentiment strip is attached to my card, my project is complete and my card is ready to deliver to celebrate a birthday. You can find all of the supplies to create this project at tailoredexpressions.com. Thanks so much for joining me today, everybody. I'll see you next time.